it's time to put on some new lashes. And surprise, surprise, guess what we're using? Lilac Street's DIY lash extensions. I mean, honestly, these are the only ones I use. So today we are using the Styled Midnight in the size 12, 16, and 14. Let's go. Let's put on a headband. Here's my handy dandy kit of lash glues, lash coat, and tweezers. For just $7 a set, this is so much more wallet friendly than getting your lash extensions done every 2 weeks for like $150 every time. These lashes save me so much money and they last me a whole week. I start off with a lash primer. I coat my own natural lashes with this Lilac Street Pro Lash Glue. Look at this spoolie applicator. Then you just put it on your lashes. So these lashes come in clusters. I'm going to be using 2 clusters of the 16s, 2 of the 14s, and 1 12. I use this clear lash coat to coat my tweezers. This prevents the lashes from sticking to the tweezers. So you take the Lilac Street Lash Glue with the brush applicator, put the glue on top of the lash extensions. So we're starting off with the outer corners. You put the lash extensions under your natural lashes. Let's do the other side. And we're gonna fan our lashes. And we're done.